Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to talk about how to create custom reports in Google Analytics 4. Let's get started. So first you have to log in your Google Analytics account, and then you can see few options in left side area. Click here on explore, and then you can find your previous reports here, and some pre I mean some templates are available, but I will explain you by creating a fresh report. So click here on blank, it's like a plus sign, and here you have to choose some dimensions and metrics. Suppose dimension, I want to see month wise data, so I will search here month, and then need to click on import, and then click on metrics. Here you can see views, uh, and then select sessions. Any kind of report you can create. Bounce rate, like this, and import it. So here you have metrics and dimensions on which you want to create a report. It's a table view, and it's a chart, pie chart and line chart. So there are few options here, what kind of visualization you want. So here you will click on rows, month you can select, then column you don't need right now, then click on values. So all the three metrics you can select, click and then select. So month wise data you can see, you can adjust the date. I don't have data uh, I mean before 16 April, so you have to select here and like here. A few months data I can select. So this is my data. So month wise traffic, sessions means widgets, views means hits. Uh, Suppose I clicked on a page and then I visit some other pages on the same website, so it counts in views. Sessions means in a one session how many uh, uh, views we have. So let's see more reports here. Suppose you don't want to add months, you want country. So country I will select and import, and here you will remove months and select country. Now you can see country wise data, right? You can download from here, right? And suppose you want to see landing page wise data, so here landing page, select landing page plus queries. So string, query string URL also will be included with this data. So here remove country and select landing page. So it's a landing page wise data. So this is how you can create custom reports very easily. And if you want to change your visualization, you can change, right? So this is how it works. And if you want to add filter, suppose I want to add mobile filter, so what I need to do, I need to use segment, and session segment I want to use. Here I can use device category, right? And here I will use mobile, and then desktop. We have data, good data of desktop, because we have very poor hits, so I'm using desktop here, so I can show you some data. Save and apply. So here you can see it's now mobile data, right? So this is how you can change the name if you want to, if you want to edit. And I want name here device wise it, here I name it desktop. So here it's applied. So this is how you can use, and you can choose rows, how many rows you want to see. Suppose I want to see only 10, minimum 10. Same here. So there are some few options you can try. Hope you got uh, how we can create custom reports in Google Analytics 4. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.